Okay, we're having this quite pretty simple question, that is 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4, 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8, then 2 to the power x is equals to what? That's the question. Okay, we can directly deduce that x is equals to what? 3.584. Okay, but the question is, how are we going to solve this? Let then get into it. Okay, we're having 2 to the power x is equals to 12. If you're studying algebra, you are going to ask the question how to solve this. You can use a variety of questions, that is ln, log, or e, or epsilon. Okay, applying ln, you are going to have ln 2 to the power x is equals to ln 12. Okay, from basic principle of ln, if we have ln a to the power b is equals to c, okay, we can have what? B ln a is equals to c. Hence, in this case, we are going to have what? X ln 2 is equals to ln 12. And from here, we can have the value of x. X being equals to what? X being equals to ln 12 all over ln 2. And you are going to be having our initial answer, that is 3.584. On the other case, we can have log, that is log. We usually use log to base 10 of 2 to the power x is equals to log 12, because if you apply log on one side, you are going to apply on both sides. You cannot just apply log 2x is equals to 12. This is quite not easy. It's actually wrong. Okay, hence you are going to apply log on both sides, and you are going to be having what? X is equals to what? Log 2, that is equals to log 12. Therefore, from here, our x is equals to what? Log 12 all over log 2. And you're going to have the same answer. Okay, another guy, you just say, let's just take it out. That's another guy. We just say, since you have 2 to the power 2, okay, being equals to 4, if you have add 4 here, you are going to be having 8. And if you have 4 here, you are going to be having 12. And here we add 1. Okay, a guy will just deduce that you are going to be adding also plus 1 here. And you are going to be having a 4. Okay, that will be 2 to the power 4. But this method will give the answer, because 2 to the power 4 is not 12, it's instead 16. And that is how it works. And hence we come to the end of this amazing video that's talking about basic algebra. And we are going to be having the answer as 3.584. Thanks for watching this video. You can just punch it on your calculator to verify if the answer is actually it. Thank you. Or if you put 2 to the power anything and you have this. Example, if you have 2 to the power x is equals to 16, you can just say 2 to the power x is equals to what? 16 can be expressed as what? 2 to the power 4. Yeah, because 16 is 4 times 4, that will be equals to 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. And since you have power from basic law of indices, 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 is the same thing as what? 2 to the power 2 plus 2. That is equals to 2 to the power 4. And that's amazing, and you have the right answer. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe now.